In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tips, how to match bank transactions. To get started, look over to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks and click on Accounting. From there, select Bank Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks pulls in activity from your connected bank accounts and helps you review what has already been recorded versus what still needs your attention. Once you're in the bank transaction screen, choose the bank account you want to work on first. This is an important step, especially if you manage more than one account, because you want to make sure you're reviewing the correct transaction feed before making any changes. Selecting the right account keeps your records organized and helps prevent mistakes. After that, you'll see a list of transactions that have not yet been matched or reconciled. This section is where QuickBooks shows you the bank activity that still needs review. In simple terms, these are transactions that QuickBooks has imported from your bank, but that may still need to be linked to existing entries in your books. Now take a look at the Match or Categorize column. This area gives you a helpful clue about what QuickBooks has found. If QuickBooks recognizes a possible existing record that lines up with the bank transaction, it will indicate that a match may be available. This can save you time since the system is trying to connect the bank activity with what's already in your records. If everything looks correct, you can simply click Match in the Action column. When you do that, QuickBooks links the bank transaction to the matching record in your books. This is the quickest option when the suggested match is accurate, and it helps keep your bookkeeping clean and efficient. If the details don't look quite right, you also have the option to manually edit the transaction details. This is useful if you need to adjust the information so it better reflects your records before confirming the match. Take a moment to review the amount, date, and any related details to make sure everything lines up properly. Once it matches your records, you can go ahead and confirm it. And there you go. That's all it takes to match bank transactions in QuickBooks. As a quick tip, always review suggested matches carefully before accepting them, since even small differences can affect your bookkeeping accuracy. With a little regular review, this process becomes fast and easy, and it helps keep your accounts up to date.